All right, guys, we got us a 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. This is what it sounds like before. You guys can see, barely hear it. That's what it sounds like before. So quiet. Yeah. Mice fart louder than that, as you guys can see. Is that what you said? Yeah. Mice fart louder than that. There's the sound decibels. All right. We're going to put a BORLA ATAK on it. Part number 400844. We'll let you guys hear it after. All right, guys. 2019 Chevy Z71 Silverado. Beautiful red color. As you guys can see, what we got done on this beautiful beast. Got factory converters there and there. Then it don't have no third cat, so we can get that damn thing cut off and do true duals if we want. So if you want a true dual a Chevy, make sure you buy the 19. And what we did on it is put a BORLA ATAK, as you guys can see. Part number 400844. There'll be a link in the description for it. There it is. Look at them beautiful welds. And then it comes factory dual out the back. And then this is the only year they use these resonators. They're like sifters almost. So they dissipate the sound pretty good, but I don't like them. I always cut them off. We'll see what they sound with the BORLA ATAK. We might cut them off or not. We'll let you guys know in a second. There's the original muffler that was on it. We cut it off and put the BORLA. Make sure you guys take that flap off, that baffle, because if you don't, it will rattle. And it's got built-in tips into the rear bumper, as you guys can see, black. So it's really nicely done. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification button, like my guy always reminds me to say. All right, guys, we got us a 2015 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8 lifted. What we got done on it for you guys, a little bit different than what we usually do. Got factory converters there and there, third converter there. Then we put a DYNOMAX race bullet right there, part number 24250. Be a link in the description. And then we did a 3-inch tailpipe all the way back. And then he brought his own tip, RBP tip right there. Looks really clean, really nice right there. That we got installed and welded off for him. Look at those welds, beautiful welds. And as always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Not bad. Yeah. Those resonators, yeah. Again. That's not too bad. It is definitely different. Again. Here's sound decibels. 92.3. What's nice about BORLA, you don't hear a lot of drone inside either. It's all out. It's only outside. You hear a little bit of throatiness inside, but nothing like overbearing. Yeah, it sounds good. BORLA ATAK. On the Trail Boss. Again. Here on the inside. Much better. That's the old Magnaflow we cut off in duals. Give it gas. Much better. Your sound decibels. Again. 109. That's not bad. Sounds good. Nice idle to it too. Chevy Silverado Z71. That was one of the best body styles is this one. The newer ones. Hold on. You ever seen it?
No.